Here is a detailed, exam-ready explanation of Thiotepa, with expanded pharmacology, clinical insights, and practical notes. Thiotepa. Detailed study. Generic name, drug class, alkylating agent, polyfunctional aziridine compound, brand name, Tepidina. 1. Definition, expanded. Thiotepa is a cytotoxic antineoplastic drug belonging to the alkylating agents, specifically the ethylenamine group, used in cancer therapy and conditioning regimens before hematopoietic stem cell transplantation. It is non-cell cycle specific, meaning it can act at any phase of the cell cycle, but is most effective against rapidly dividing cells. Number 2. Mechanism of action, detailed. Thiotepa exerts its anti-cancer effect through primary actions. Alkylates DNA at the N7 position of guanine, forms intra- and interstrand crosslinks, prevents DNA replication, RNA transcription, hacks cellular outcome, DNA damage, activation of repair pathways, failure of repair, apoptosis, programmed cell death. Additional notes, also interferes with protein synthesis, cytotoxic effect is dose-dependent. 3. Pharmacokinetics, detailed. Absorption, not given orally, rapid systemic availability after IV administration. Distribution, highly lipophilic, crosses blood-brain barrier, BBB, distributed in CSF, pleural fluid, acidic fluid. Metabolism, hepatic metabolism via CYP enzymes, active metabolite, TEPA, triethylene phosphamide. Elimination, renal excretion, minor fecal elimination. Half-life, Thiotepa 1.5 to 4 hours, TEPA longer up to 10 hours. Number 4 uses, expanded clinical applications. Oncology uses, breast carcinoma, ovarian carcinoma, bladder carcinoma, intravesical, specialized uses. Conditioning agent before, bone marrow transplant, stem cell transplant, other uses. Malignant effusions, pleural, peritoneal. 5. Indications, clinical situations, advanced or metastatic cancers, resistant or recurrent malignancies, pre-transplant immunosuppression, intravesical therapy for superficial bladder tumors. Number 6. Contraindications, detailed, severe bone marrow depression, hypersensitivity to Thiotepa, active infections, pregnancy, category DX, teratogenic. Number 7. Precautions before taking, hematological, monitor, WBC count, platelets, hemoglobin, organ function, liver function tests, LFTs, renal function tests, RFTs, reproductive, causes infertility, temporary, permanent, avoid pregnancy, use contraception. Infection risk, immunosuppression, avoid exposure to infections. 8. Administration, how to use, routes, intravenous IV systemic chemotherapy, intravesical bladder installation, intracavitary pleural peritoneal. Important handling, cytotoxic drug requires gloves, protective equipment, specialized preparation. I'm 9. Dosing information, detailed. General principles, based on body surface area BSA, weight, clinical protocol. Examples, IV 0.3 to 0.4 milligrams per kilogram, intravesical 30 to 60 milligrams in solution. Adjustments, reduced dose in bone marrow suppression, hepatic impairment. 10. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, usually handled by oncologists, do not self-administer. Overdose symptoms, severe pancytopenia, sepsis, bleeding. Management, supportive care, antibiotics, blood transfusions. 11. When to avoid, severe neutropenia or thrombocytopenia. Signs of toxicity, high fever, severe mucositis, bleeding. 12. Side effects, detailed. Common, bone marrow suppression, dose limiting, nausea and vomiting, alopecia, weakness. Moderate, mucositis, skin reactions. Severe, infections due to neutropenia, hemorrhage, neurotoxicity, rare, secondary cancers. 13. Vital safety information. Narrow therapeutic index, requires frequent monitoring. Long-term risks, infertility, secondary malignancy. NAR 14. Drug interactions. Increased toxicity with other alkylating agents, radiotherapy. Immunosuppressants, increased infection risk. Vaccines, avoid live vaccines. Number 15. Drug comparison. Compare with cyclophosphamide. Feature Thiotepa, cyclophosphamide. BBB penetration, high, low, main metabolite, phosphoramide mustard, unique toxicity, CNS effects, rare, hemorrhagic cystitis, use, bladder, transplant, broad oncologic steen. Patient teaching detailed. Here is a detailed, clinical, and exam-oriented patient teaching section for Thiotepa. Patient teaching for Thiotepa 1, understanding the treatment. This medicine is a chemotherapy drug used to treat cancer. It works by destroying rapidly growing cancer cells. It may also affect normal cells, which causes side effects. 2. Infection prevention, very important. Thiotepa lowers white blood cells, higher infection risk. Teach the patient to wash hands frequently, avoid crowded places and sick people, wear a mask if advised, report immediately, fever, sore throat, chills. 3. Bleeding precautions. Low platelets increase bleeding risk. Advice: use a soft toothbrush, avoid shaving with blades, use electric razor, avoid contact sports. Report unusual bruising, blood in urine, stool, nosebleeds. 4. Hygiene and skincare. Bathe daily and maintain good personal hygiene. Thiotepa may be excreted through skin. Change clothes frequently. Wash skin thoroughly. Caregivers should use gloves when handling body fluids. 5. Diet and hydration. Drink plenty of fluids unless restricted. Eat nutritious, high-protein foods. Small, frequent meals to manage nausea. 6. Nausea and vomiting management. Take antiemetics as prescribed. Avoid oily, spicy foods. Eat light meals. 7. Hair loss, alopecia. Temporary hair loss may occur. Hair usually grows back after treatment. Use mild shampoo and gentle hair care. 8. Fertility and pregnancy. Avoid pregnancy during treatment. Use effective contraception. Thiotepa can cause birth defects, infertility, temporary or permanent. Discuss fertility preservation before therapy. 9. Vaccination advice. Avoid live vaccines. Inform doctor before any immunization. 10. Medication adherence. Do not miss appointments. Do not self-adjust dose. Always follow oncologist instructions. 11. When to seek immediate medical help. Fever, 38 Gusgusi, severe vomiting or diarrhea, bleeding or bruising, extreme weakness, difficulty breathing. 12. Drug and lifestyle precautions. Inform doctor about all other medicines. Avoid alcohol, may increase toxicity. Avoid herbal supplements without consultation. 13. Emotional and psychological support. Cancer treatment can be stressful. Encourage family support, counseling if needed. 14. Key take-home points. Quick recall. Prevent infection. Watch for bleeding. Maintain hygiene. Avoid pregnancy. Report symptoms early. Thank you. Have a nice day.